Okay, yo, time to make eggs. You think I want to make toast without making eggs? I want eggs and toast. Like, okay, get it? All right. But anyway, that's a whole nother story for another day. Only thing I'm missing, I like cheese on my eggs when I scramble them up. Eggs are very good for you no matter what anybody says. Now, you could take, this is avocado sauce. Take some, oh, I forgot. First, you put the clean pan on, and I'm going to put it on low. I'll put it on medium, all right? And then you can take avocado sauce. You can take, not sauce, avocado oil. You can take, and we're almost out of this oil, so what I'm going to do, we can use olive oil. We just ran out of olive oil all the way in the pantry, and I don't feel like going there. So I'm going to cut some butter up, put some butter in there, okay? And I forgot to say something that I shouldn't have to say, but sometimes you got to say it. Because if you go to a restaurant and people don't wash their hands, you won't want to eat it, right? So before you do anything, you go washy, washy. You wash your hands, all right? Now, this butter's going to melt, or you can make sure you even it out. So it's all over the pan. And then you're just going to crack the eggs. Hey, crack the eggs. Crack the eggs. And then I'm going to turn this heat up some more. Crack the eggs. I want 3 eggs. Because I'm a big boy. Young man. 3 eggs. I like it. That's the way. I like it. All right. I forgot to season it. I messed it up today, but I'm doing it right. But I forgot to have all my ingredients out here because I'm so hungry. I'm angry. Hangry? Yeah, hangry. All right. Okay, so let me get a little bit of seasoning over here to put on it. I'll be right back. Oh, here's some pepper. Okay, something. I put almost anything on there, guys. This is, lemon garlic butter. Look what I found. I just picked something. Put that on there. I'm going to turn this up high. Let's go, people. Bang. Eggs. Cook them if you're not afraid. Make you feel good today. Go out and, get paid. Now, I mix it up. I scramble. That's it. That's why I call them scrambled eggs. Scramble them. And then, basically, you wait, and the eggs will be done. And they say you guys don't have any patience, so I don't want to make you wait for the eggs to get done. So you just know, you just imagine how it's going to look and taste with my toast, okay? All right. So eggs and toast today, that's what you learned. All right. So just imagine it looks good already, right? We're just going to wait like another minute or so. It's going to be bomb. It's going to be peak, as y'all say. Don't say that, Mr. Oast. Don't say peak. It's going to be tough. Don't say tough, Mr. Oast. Don't say tough. Whatever. Okay, it's almost done now since I'm sitting around clowning around. This gonna taste so good. Like that. Ooh wee. I said Muhammad Ali. I say Cassius Clay. I say butter. You say parquet. All right, look at that. I did it. I'm gonna make it a little darker. All right, I'm turning it off, but it's still going to cook a little bit. And that's it. Eggs. And we got some toast coming. I'm going to put the eggs on the toast. It's going to be the most. I might put a little bit of ketchup on there. A little bit of mayonnaise, maybe. Ooh, good God almighty. All right. See y'all later, man. Now y'all know how to make eggs and you know how to make toast. Did I do the most? Mr. Ice, you be doing the most. You be doing the most. All right, y'all. Hey, I'm going to start shouting out to some people. I'll shout out to Zakiah. I'll shout out to Justice. I'll shout out to Elkanah. I'll shout out to Annie. I'll shout out to Olivia. I'll shout out to Savannah. I'll shout out to Cooper. Shout out to Damarion. And I'll shout out to Zamir. Yeah, up in here, and Loriana. And I can't keep going right now, and my granddaughter's in the school. All right, see y'all later. I will try to shout out different people every time. If I miss you, say your name in the comments, and I'll try to give you a shout out soon. All right, peace.